here's your macrophylla big leaf, and you're saying it hasn't bloomed before.
Yes.
Here it is now, buds everywhere because we had a mild winter. So now this whole thing is covered with buds.
Awesome.
Don't get excited though, because what we'll probably have now is next winter it's going to be crazy again. Then you're going to be sad, like so many other people in cold climates. If we keep then having winters where it's cold again and you don't get more blooms, I would get rid of it. Put something more reliable.
Okay.
Anything is more reliable than this.
Uh-huh.
An oakleaf hydrangea, a serrata, an arborescens like an Annabelle or an incredible or a panicle. You don't have a lot of space here, so whatever you do, don't plant anything too close to here